channel. Today I'm going to teach JESSI NUNU. First, before we start, don't forget to hit your subscribe button and give me a thumbs up afterwards. So now let's get started. So from the beginning, we're gonna face back for 1-8 count, and I will just look down. So look down for 1-8 count, and on the second 8 count, we're going to look up and then turn around the shoulders. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then on 8 we're gonna turn back 8, and on 1 we're gonna turn with our left leg, go across your right shoulder. So again, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. On 2, we're going to have our heads go to the left, and we're going to go 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to go tilting to the left. So 6, 7, 8, and on 1 we're going to have, so our hip is to the right, and we go 8, and on 1 we're gonna jump to the middle and push our body to this way. So it will start from your hips to the right and then dragging your body from here. The chorus we have 5, and we're going to hit to the left on 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and hit on 4, and 5, and 6, and go. We're going to go right first, left. So when I say right, means we're going to step on our right, right, left. And you are moving your torso, going back, back, with your hands going up, up. And that's going to be on 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. From here, we're gonna go down. Ha, ha, boom. Yeah, so it's like running forward with a boom, 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 boom. So your body is just going with the direction of your leg. So if you're going step right, your body going to the right. Left, right, left. Yes, and from here we have 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and our hands is going to be 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and all together from 7, 8, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then after that we're going to tilt 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 1. So when you're going, I am going to the left with my butt. So my hip is going to the left, but my body is facing this way. So 1 and 2. And you can actually move with your leg. So you go boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. So you go back and back and back and back, back and back and back and back, back and back and back and back. So we're going to do 2 on the left, 2 on the right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we're gonna go 5 and 6, left 1 time, right 1 time. Again, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, gonna step in or left. 7, 8. Body going to go with this hands back in, back in. Yes. And 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Your head is moving with your feet. So when it will go and put it down, we go to the left first. Left and down, up and down 2 times. And then we're going to go drop here. So, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. And we go away. We're going to go 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alright, that's going to be the first half, and let's review all of it from the top. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alright, now if you need to review it, don't forget to go back and review the first part, and now we're going to move on to the second part. A and 1. We're going to drop down. So look over there with your hands open to the front. We go down, look down, up. So from here I'm sitting down, and I'm going to look down, come up already. Let's go look down. And now you're going to look up with your hands pop. So it's going to go 1 and 2, 3, and we're going to walk on our right leg. The legs is going to go boom and boom and boom and boom and. So you're sliding on the first leg, boom and boom and boom and that kind of feel. So you're moving and zoom, ha and ha, ha ha. And our hands go right, back, left, close. Right, back, left, close. So we're going to 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. On 8, we're going to kind of slide to your right, but I'm just going to neutral to the center. So 8, so and 8. I'm just gonna go boom, boom to 8. So this is on the last one, 7 and 8 and 1. Just going to throw your hands, 1. On 2, you're going to go right, left, boom, boom. So it's 1, 2, and 3. On the 4, we're going to go and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The hands go 3 and 4 and 5 with your butt going to the left. 5 and 6, 7, 8, and I will have my hands on the head. We go 8 and we're going to step on our left leg. We go 1 with your step on your right leg with your left hand up. 1. On 2, opposite leg, opposite hand. 2 and turn around. 3 and then throw it with your right hand. 4. Turn over your left shoulder. So 4. You're gonna walk on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. We're going to go up 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Drop down on 1. We go up on 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go on left, and body weight for time. With your and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's going to be pretty easy on this part. You're just going to swing your hands, go 1, 2, and your body just staying here. Just go boom, 2, 3, 4. A little trick is that you kind of tilt backward, so you can be looking more like a like very chill kind of vibe. So we are going to go from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go low, 5, 6, 7. So go right, left, drag. After we drag back on 8, we're going to walk 1, 2, 3. Open your leg, and on 4 you're going to go 4. So your chest is going to roll from right to left. So 4, 5. Stop here. I'm going to go to like not to the front on 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so again from here, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again all together. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so now let's go to the chorus. 8 and we're going to go step your left leg in, and we go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right, so boom, boom, 6, NUNNUNNA, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And we're going to the right, boom, your hand is going to left, step together, boom, together. So boom, 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 and we're going to step our left leg open, right leg come up. Then just go from here, waist to chest. All right, so we have na 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 na, and boom, gonna sit down on the left, and with your hands go push down. 2 and so sit down, come up. 3 and 4. Look to the back. Your hands push back to make this angle. 4 and right again from here. So we have 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and now it's pretty easy. We're just going to move your head like front and back. So from here, don't move your hands. You're going to step forward, back, forward. Okay? So your body is like going with it. Yeah, so 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? So just one more time up to there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. All right. From here, 8 and we're going to move the same thing. We're going to go on 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. Remember, you always go up, down, up, down. It's a pattern. It doesn't change. So we're going to go up, down, and then now our hands is going to go boom, boom, and boom, boom, and it still go with the pattern. So up and down. So after this, up, down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and remember this move, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah, so this one is a little different on the count that you slide out. So we slide out on 8 on this one. So again, we have here 1 and 2 and up and down, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. This is all the tutorial that I had for you guys, and I'm glad that you got to this far, and I hope you guys learned well with this dance from me, and that will mean a lot to me. If you do like to learn with me, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow my Instagram here. All right, and there will be more tutorial and more covers to come. Stay tuned, and until next time, bye bye.